welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. So I am very excited about today's video because today's video will be on beginners makeup kit under rupees 300. So I have done a lot of hard work in this video because I have to pick up makeup products under 300 and it took a lot of time for me. So I will not take much of your time and let's start the video. So there are so many options available today in the market and I'm going to be pinning up some of the products here so you can check it out here. So the first product is a primer. So I am really sorry, मुझे कोई भी ऐसा प्राइमर नहीं मिला जिसका प्राइस 300 से लो हो, तो मैं आपको एलोवेरा जेल सजेस्ट करूँगी क्योंकि ये आपके मेकअप को लॉन्ग लास्टिंग भी बनाता है और स्मूथ करने में भी हेल्प करता है आपके मेकअप को। तो आप किसी भी ब्रांड का एलोवेरा जेल यूज़ कर सकते हैं, वो वाओ साइंस का या जेवा का, मैं जेवा का यूज़ करती हूँ और आप पतंजलि का भी यूज़ कर सकते हो और इसका प्राइस है 150 रुपीज़ विच इज़ अ ग्रेट डील। So the second product that comes in a makeup routine is a good foundation. So I would suggest you that you always should invest in a good foundation or else your makeup will end up looking very cakey. So I got this foundation, Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Foundation and the MRP of this product is 475. अगर आप इसको ऑनलाइन खरीदना चाहते हैं नायका या पर्पल में तो आपको ये डिस्काउंट में मिल जाएगा बिलो 300 रुपीज़। सभी प्रोडक्ट्स की प्राइसेस आपको स्क्रीन में दिख जाएंगी और अगर आप फाउंडेशन नहीं यूज़ करना चाहते तो आप एक सीसी क्रीम भी यूज़ कर सकते हो जो 300 के बिलो होते हैं और एक बीबी क्रीम भी यूज़ कर सकते हो। These can also help you in building up a good base on your face. So yeah, the prices will be shown as I told before. So next product है एक setting powder. यहाँ मैं आपको suggest करूँगी Blue Heaven Sapphire Makeup Translucent Powder. This works really great. मैंने इसको अपने previous videos में भी use करके दिखाया है तो आप उसे जाके check कर सकते हो और इसका जो प्राइस है ये 125 रुपीज़ का आता है और आपको ऑनलाइन बहुत ही अच्छे डिस्काउंट में ये मिल जाएगा। आई थिंक दैट्स अ ग्रेट डील फॉर अ ट्रांसलूसेंट पाउडर। सो नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज अ कॉन्टोर। सो मुझे 300 के नीचे यही मिला है NY Bay फाउंडेशन कंसीलर कॉन्टोर कलर करेक्टर स्टिक। सो ये कुछ ऐसी पैकेजिंग में आता है और दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट। इतना सा प्रोडक्ट आता है और आई थिंक ये आपको 99 रुपीज़ में मिल जाएगा। द MRP इज़ 115 और मैं एक्चुअली भूल गई मुझे कितने में मिला था। आई थिंक इट वॉज अराउंड 99 रुपीज़। मैं यहाँ आपको दे दूँगी इसका प्राइस, तो आप ये खरीद सकते हो एज अ ब्रॉन्जर और कॉन्टोर। And one more thing, if you want swatches or review of any of these products, you can comment down below. I am ready for it. So let us move to the next product, that is a blusher. So for blusher, I got this SFR Color Pure Color Blusher in the shade Nude Berry. So it comes in a cardboard packaging. And this is the inner packaging. It looks so cute and this is the product. It's in the shade Nude Berry. I will show you the swatch. It is supremely pigmented, so you have to be really careful with this. I bought it from Cuffs and Lashes in rupees 125, so it's a great deal for a product like this. It's so cute and the pigmentation is supreme. So yeah, you can try this out. I almost forgot about the concealer, so I'm really sorry. So for a concealer you can use Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. This comes in this kind of packaging. So this is the product. It comes in a frosted glass. It's in the shade 03. So this is the perfect shade for me. So you can get it at rupees 189 from Cuffs and Lashes. So go and check it out. And obviously, if you have seen my previous videos, you must be knowing that I use this NY Bay concealer. So this is for rupees 99. So if you want to invest in a very good quality concealer in a low price, you can just switch to this. So let us move to eyeshadows. So I have two options for you. One is SFR Colors Jawbreaker and one in SFR Color Mini Breaker. So I'm going to show you. God. So here are the colors. These are so pretty. I'm going to show you swatches of three colors. So there are 3 matte shades and 5 glittery shades. So I'll show you here. These are really pigmented. So these were the swatches for this mini breaker. So if you buy a single one, you have to give rupees 225. But if you buy both of these together, you get a discount and you will be able to get these two palettes for 199 each from Cuffs and Lashes. The color of the Jawbreaker. So I'm gonna show you the swatches of these. So these are the swatches. It is so pigmented, and getting an eyeshadow for rupees 199, that too so pigmented, is a great deal for me. So whenever you are planning to buy a eyeshadow palette, I suggest that you should invest in a good one. So if you like to invest a little more, you can buy this Makeup Revolution palette. So you have so many options here and the blending is remarkable. So I guess the price of the product was rupees 850, but worth buying, because Makeup Revolution comes up with some excellent products. So you can invest in this. And one more palette you can invest on is Hilary Rhoda. I've used this palette for numerous times in my videos. What I like about this palette is that the quality of the mirror, I love it. And if you are a kind of person who likes to play with colors, then yeah, this is your palette. See the number of color you are getting and the variety you are getting in one single palette. So if you want, I can show some of the swatches. Blue one, and I'm taking this orange. So these are not matte shades, these are shimmery ones. So pigmentation here also is remarkable. I bought it from a local shop and it cost me around 350 rupees. So if you buy it online, I think you are going to get it below 300. So yeah. So for eyeshadows, I have one more option for you, that is liquid eyeshadows, and you can use these two. This is from Blue Heaven Sapphire liquid eyeshadow, and this is from Swiss Beauty. So this is in the shade 02 Shooting Star, and this one is, I think, champagne 03 champagne. These two. So if you want, I can show you the swatches of these. See how beautiful these are. You can use this. So I got this one for rupees 148 and this one for rupees 189 or something like that. So this is also below 300, so you can use both of these. Now let us move to the next product, that is an eyeliner. So I would suggest you using Lakme Insta Liner Water Resistant Liner. This is a matte black color. So I have been using this for years now. I also did a video on it. You can just check it out if you like to. So the next product is a mascara. So you can use Maybelline's New York the Hyper Curl Mascara. The price of the product it was, I think, around rupees 283 or something like that, which was also below 300. So, and it also adds a good volume to your eyelashes. So good one. So let us move to the next one, that is eyebrow pencil or eyebrow gel, whatever. So I use Music Flowers 24-hour long wear gel liner. So here I used a brown shade for my brows. This works really good for me. And if you want to invest in a good eyebrow pencil, you can use Miss Claire's eyebrow pencil. That works really good and it is very creamy and very easy to use. और अगर आप चाहो तो आप कोई भी लिप लाइनर भी यूज कर सकते हो. लाइक इफ यू हैव अ लिप लाइनर इन अ डार्कर शेड, वो भी एक आईब्रो का काम बहुत ही अच्छे से कर लेगा. सो यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट इट. So let us move to the next product, that is a highlighter. So for highlighter you can use Urban Choice by InColor. This is in the shade 04 Sundust. So this comes in this kind of packaging. It looks so luxurious, and inner packaging is something like this. I personally love the packaging. It's really great for a highlighter that just costs, I think, rupees 199. It was probably 199, but I'm not sure, so I will mention it in the screen. So here is the product. So let me show you the swatch of this product. आज मैंने इसको ही लगाया है as a highlighter. So you can try this out. Really a good product with really good quality. अब हम चलते हैं लड़कियों की सबसे फेवरेट मेकअप की ओर, दैट इज लिपस्टिक्स. सो आई हैव अ ह्यूज लॉट ऑफ लिपस्टिक्स दैट आर बिलो rupees 300. So let me first start with liquid ones. So I have these with me. So first one is Kiss Beauty Super Matte Lip Gloss. It is not really a lip gloss, it's a matte liquid lipstick. And the next one is Arius Pro Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream. This is in the shade 409. I have used this one in many of my videos, so I think you have seen it before. So this one was a rare one that I could find in a local shop. I bought it from a local shop actually. So this is Kiss Beauty Lip Topper. It has dried up totally. So it was such a beautiful color, but when I went back to the shop to refill this one, I couldn't find one. So I was really disappointed, because I really wanted something in this shade. It was in the shade 12. And I have one more Kiss Beauty Super Matte Liquid Lip Gloss, that is in the shade 3, and this was in the shade 06. Yeah. And the last one is Arius Pro Super Stay Vivid Matte Liquid Lipstick. Let's move to bullet lipsticks. So for bullet lipstick, which will be under rupees 300, are these. So the first one is Darling Isabella Pretty Pink Royalty shade 2. So this is the shade, a very pretty color actually, this one. And the next one is in the shade Oops. And the next one is Naughty Nude Royalty in the shade 9. So here is the color. This is a very beautiful nude shade. And the next one is NY Bay lipstick in the shade 3. So, and the last one is Lakme Enriched Satin. It is in the shade B676, I think. I don't know, I have just peeled it off. So yeah, so here is the shade. It's a glittery one, and I'm ready to show you the swatches of this. If you want to see, you can just comment down below. So at last, let me show you the makeup brushes that you can use as a beginner. So these are the brushes you can use. I think I ordered it from Amazon. It cost me around rupees 300, and which was a great deal because you are getting 10 pieces of brush. So I think these are great, and these are also very good quality brushes, very soft, and the blending is also really good. So yeah, you can buy these out. And yeah guys, that was all I could show you in this video. So I hope you like the video. If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for those who have not yet, and share the video and hit that bell icon to get notification when I'm up with new videos. So I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then,